Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into Gothic style in CapCut apps. Okay, first tap new project, select your photo that you want to edit. Click add and duplicate the photo. Just click the photo and select duplicate. So for the second photo, you are just going to add the style. Just click style and looking for the Gothic style. So, okay, there are Gothic girl or Gothic boy, but I'm going to add a Gothic girl according to the photo. Just wait. And after done, you are just going to click check mark and add the transition. Just click transition icon between the clip and then select the pull in transition and just click check mark. And you can also add the effect, the video effect. Just click video effects and select check effects. Okay, just click check mark and adjust for the duration. Okay, so this is the final effects. Okay, I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.